Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making a leader start script in Roblox Studio, which is very quick and easy to make, so let's get right into it. First you want to go to the Explorer, go to Superscript Service, press on the plus, then add the script. Remove this and then type game.player.playerAdded::connect function. Remove this bracket and then put these ones and put it in there, player. And then you type local leaderstats equals to instance not new quotation marks, and then in there you type folder and then leaderstats.name equals to quotation marks leaderstats, and then you type leaderstats.parent equals to player. Then you press enter twice and then you type local cache equals to instance.new quotation marks again, and then you type int value this time, and then cache.name equals to quotation mark cache dot value equals to 0 as the base. You can put this to whatever you want, and then cache dot parent equals to leader start, and there you go. This is all you have to do to make a leader start script. So if I click on play, as you can see I have 0 cache. So if I go over here and just give myself some money, bear with me, just gonna quickly type this out. As you can see, I just gave myself 100 cash, so you can clearly see that it's working. So if you guys enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, please make sure you leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel, because I really would appreciate it. So bye guys.